Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to create wallet on your Telegram and how to complete your KYC verification on your Telegram. So the first thing we have to do is to head straight. I have two accounts here, so I'll be using the second one to create this wallet. Is a new feature on Telegram. So what I have to do is to tap on wallet, tap on agree to the terms of use, then tap on continue. Creating a wallet do not take time, reason being that Telegram already have your phone number, they already have all your details. So what you just have to do is to agree to their terms, and voila, is going to open like this for you. So the next thing you have to do is to, if you want to complete your KYC verification, is to tap on the settings icon at the front there. Then the next thing is you're supposed to see identification level here, so for you to tap on basic. But though sometimes, depending on the kind of phone you're using, the kind of Telegram they're using, such do not appear. So what you have to do is to go out from the settings, then tap on any of the assets here. Let me say I'll tap on docs. So on my docs, for me to complete my KYC verification, I have to tap on the icon receive. So now it says let's get verified. Quick verification will lock all wallet feature and protect your account. So I just have to tap on continue. So now look at the verification requirements. Say check your eligibility, provide false information might result in restricted account function. You must be over 18 years old. You must be over 18 years old to meet the legal requirements of our service. Your current residence must not be in USA or other restricted countries. You must not have other wallet accounts. So I confirm that I made the wallet verification requirement. Just tap on the box there and tap on confirm and continue. What's your phone number? Share your Telegram phone number. Just tap on continue because Telegram already have your phone number. You can share it. So enter your name and so your date of birth, just enter your date of birth. Not here, please. Okay, let me see. I'm entering my date of birth. Tap on send. So you can see my verification has been completed. So guys, that is how to complete your KYC verification on your Telegram. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.